This is also 100 yen or just under $1 US. And there's something I learned about the packaging of stuff in Japan. For example, juice and things like these. So if you see a real fruit on it, that means it actually contains real fruit, because in Japan you're not allowed to use the picture of a real fruit unless the item contains real fruits. For example, with juices, if you go into a store or a combini and you see a juice bottle with the picture of a real fruit on it, that means it contains organic fruits. If you see like an animated fruit, that means not so real. I don't know, maybe some, I don't know, but not so real. But this one is definitely real peach. I've had it before. I've had the strawberry one. I think the strawberry one is my favorite, but the peach one is also good. All right, so the next thing I got are these honey roasted peanuts, which is also 100 yen or just under $1 US.